Welcome class first. Today our topic is joining words. This is your lesson 10. So joining words are used to join two words and two sentences. If we are going to join any two word or any two sentences, then if that word which are joining that word or sentences are called joining words. First one is and. We can join the sentences or words with the help of and. So where do we use and? And is used to connect two similar thing. So two similar thing, two similar person or two similar places are there, then we can add that two similar thing, person or places with the help of and. Example, we have 15 boys and 15 girls in our class. Okay, so here and we will use. One sentence is this: we have 30 boys. Second sentence is 15 girls in our class, and these two sentences are added with the help of and. So we can join the sentence or word with the help of but also. So but is used to connect two opposite things, where opposite ideas are there, opposite things, person or places are there, then we will add the sentence or word with the help of but. So suppose the example is, this van is small, this is a small van, but that is a big van. So there is a opposite thing, small van and big van, so we will add here with but. One sentence is, this is a small van, second one is, that is a big van, and these two sentences are opposite to each other, so these two sentences we will add with but. Okay, now next we can add the word or sentence with the help of or. So or we use where we are having choices, of person, thing or places. Okay, if choices is there, then we will add the sentence with the help of or. Example, you can have fruit juice or coffee. So there is a choice between coffee and fruit juice, so we will join the words with the help of or. So here fruit juice and coffee, middle of these two, or we will write not and or not but. Now our next exercise is use and to join the word. So this exercise is on page number 79. So write it, and simply you have to write and then join the words: books and notebooks, pen and pencil, boys and girls, men and women, and the end, watercolors and crayons. Now next exercise, do in copy. After doing this, firstly you will do this exercise 2, then exercise 1 in copy. My papa and mummy are hard working. Two similar things are there, two similar persons are there, then and we will use. Rinku and Bubbly are my fast friends. Two similar person, both boys and girls are going for picnic. Now next, my sister is overweight but my brother is underweight. Two opposite sentences are there, then we will use but. My sister is overweight but my brother is underweight. Next sentence, she is tall but she wears high heel shoes. Now sixth sentence, I am a boy and you are a girl. Two similar sentences are given, so and we will use. Sentence number 7, you can go to Nainital or Shimla in your summer holidays. Here two choices are given, and where the choices are given we will use or. 8th sentence. Do only one question. You can do question number 1 or question number 2. Two choices are given, so use or. Now next exercises you are supposed to do in book. So first one is, my teacher and friends love me. I love mangoes but I do not like apples. Apples and oranges are good for health. Next one is, my mother likes dogs but she doesn't like cats. Two contradictory sentences are given here. 5th one, your brother likes fruit juice but he doesn't like cold drink. Exercise number 4. She sang song and he played the drum. Second one, she ran fast but she missed a bus. He speaks well but he doesn't write well. Next one, would you like to have hot drink or cold drink? The last sentence of exercise 4, the sun shines in the day but the moon shines at night. Next, exercise 5. You have to fill with and, but, or. First sentence is, my brother is coming but my sister is going. Second one, my sister can speak English but my brother cannot speak English. Third one, my brother and sisters are twins. Fourth one, my brother is elder but my sister is younger. And the last sentence, do you love papa or mummy or both? Okay, so these 3 exercises we are going to do in book. Next one. Next, this exercise do yourself, because help box the words are already given. Choose the correct word and fill in the blanks. Okay, do in copy. Now let's do sound practice. So these words are showing sound sa and these are showing sound sha. Okay, so do practice sip, and this is ship, same, shame, sell, shell, sit, shit, sink, shrink. So do practice and complete your work. Thank you.